All right, so another important factor, which is site speed. For an e-commerce store, you want to provide the fastest website possible for your audience. So if somebody is roaming your website, shopping, you want to make sure that you provide them with a fast website. They can go click from here to here, and you want to make sure that these actions are performed in seconds and even milliseconds if possible. Now, you can either decide to go ahead and speed up your website your own self manually. And for this, I have a course that you can go ahead and check out. It's a course that will teach you how to basically speed up your website the manual way. It's a great skill. I have to tell you, speeding up websites is a great skill. You'll find that a lot of people are making tons of money speeding up websites on Fiverr, for example, on a platform like Fiverr. If you go now, as a matter of fact, go do a search, you'll find a lot of freelancers doing this, speeding up Shopify stores, speeding up WordPress stores, speeding up e-commerce stores, blogs, etc. And especially at the beginning, you can, for somebody that is just starting the website at the beginning, and especially if they don't have a background of web development, if they don't know too much about WordPress, what happens is they struggle with site speed, and they need somebody. They really need somebody to do it for them. And you can be that person, right? You can actually learn how to speed up websites manually if you want to. Go and check my course. It's called WP Fastest Cash, Speed Up Websites. Or you can actually buy a plugin that's worth $49, WP Rocket, for a year. So $49 divided by 12, it's not even $3 per month, monthly. And it basically has the potential to 10x your website speed. And I'm talking from experience. Now, for the manual way to speed up websites, you have to go and do it yourself. So you have to take a website. You have to do a bunch of things like optimizing images, videos, making sure everything is optimized, installing a bunch of plugins. That, connecting your website with a CDN like WP, like Rocket, Cloudflare is a very, very popular CDN. It's content delivery network. And basically what it allows you to do is to create different, it's almost like basically hosting a website in different countries. And so if I'm connected, for example, from a country in Africa, I'm getting the latest version of your website from the nearest hosting facility. And that allows me to actually access your website as fast. But those are manual things. You need to have a knowledge. You need to spend at least about 1 week studying about what affects website speed and whatnot. And so this can be mitigated and prevented by installing one single plugin, such as WP Rocket. You can just go ahead and install it. It's a one-click, and it does all the optimization for you.